Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Wednesday, 16th March 2022. I would like you to welcome to my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time. Let's have a look at today's gold rates. For 1 gram gold, 24 carats, the price without VAT is 232.12 and with VAT is 266.94. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price is without VAT 213.09 and with VAT 245.05. For 21 carat without VAT is 203.11 and with VAT is 233.58. For 18 carats gold, 1 gram price is without VAT 174.09 and with VAT is 200.20. For 14 carat without VAT is 135.79 and with VAT is 156.16. For 10 carats gold, the without VAT price is 96.80 and with VAT price is 111.32. And last but not the least, for 6 carat gold, the price without VAT is 58.03 and with VAT is 66.73. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video, and again I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.